She hadn't smiled in over a decade. Not once. Not for a family photo, not in a mirror, not even for her own child. Because behind her lips was a reality so painful, she did everything to hide it. But what happened next will leave you speechless. Meet Rosa, 32 years old, a single mother working 2 jobs. When she was younger, she had dreams of being a nurse. But poverty, stress, and years without access to dental care pushed those dreams aside. It started small, a cavity here, a missed cleaning there. But over time, the pain grew, the infections worsened. She stopped going out. She stopped eating certain foods. And then she stopped smiling altogether. Behind every photo was a closed mouth. Behind every laugh, a hand over her face. The judgment, the shame, the embarrassment. It was too much, until she finally asked for help. The damage was severe. Multiple teeth were decayed to the root. Some had broken off entirely. There were deep pockets of infection, early signs of bone loss, and advanced gum disease. Her jaw alignment was off. Her bite was collapsing, and her gums were inflamed and receding. It wasn't just about looks. This was affecting her health, her ability to eat, speak clearly, and avoid systemic infections. But the worst part, she truly believed her mouth was beyond saving, that no dentist would even try. But she was wrong. The dental team met with Rosa, and they didn't flinch. They saw more than damage. They saw a chance to change a life. The plan would take months, maybe more, but together they would rebuild her smile. First, they begin with deep cleaning to remove years of plaque and tartar. Next, they'd extract the teeth that couldn't be saved. Temporary restorations would help her eat and function in the meantime. Then, braces to realign her jaw and prepare her mouth for a new foundation. Eventually, permanent crowns, veneers, or implants would complete the transformation. Rosa sat in silence when they explained it. Then she whispered, "You really think I'll be able to smile again?" And the dentist smiled back. Not just smile, live. What followed was nothing short of a journey. The first visit was painful, not because of the tools, but because of the memories it unearthed. Years of neglect, years of hiding. She cried, not from fear, but from the weight finally being lifted. Extractions came first. Some teeth couldn't be saved. They had to go. Then came cleaning. The hygienists worked slowly, carefully, scraping away the years of buildup. Her gums began to heal. Soon after, she returned for orthodontic work. Her jaw had shifted from years of uneven pressure. Braces would help bring it back to balance. Each bracket was placed with care. Every wire, every adjustment was a step forward. She kept coming back, again and again. And with each visit, her eyes grew brighter. After months of procedures, treatments, and healing, the final appointment arrived. The dentist handed her a mirror. She hesitated. Then she looked, and for the first time in 12 years, she smiled. Not a half smile, not a guarded glance. A full, open, radiant smile. Her hand went to her mouth, not to hide it, but to feel it. "I can't believe this is me," she said softly. But it was. Today, Rosa laughs without covering her mouth. She talks with confidence. She applied for a job she never thought she'd qualify for. And she got it. Not because of her teeth, but because of her renewed self-worth. And every time her son sees her smile, he smiles too. Because now, she's not just surviving, she's living. And it all started with a single decision: to stop hiding, to ask for help, to believe she was worth saving. Her story isn't just about teeth. It's about hope, about reclaiming your voice, your joy, your identity, because no matter how bad it gets, No matter how broken it feels, you are never beyond repair. If Rose's story touched you, there's someone in your life who needs to see this. Share it. Remind them it's never too late to change. And if you're watching this thinking, that could be me, it can be. All it takes is the first step. Stay plug, stay fit, live healthy. Powered by Plug and Health Extension.